How to disable saved messages for 24 hours on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the chat icon at the bottom. Here, simply go to the chat of the person you want to disable saved messages of. Then click on their name at the top. Here, click on the three dots at the top right. Then click on Chat and Notification Settings. Click on Delete Chats. Select After Viewing, which is the first option. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to disable saved messages for 24 hours on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.